Hi guys, good evening to one and all. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Welcome back our favorite video channel SGVS. Now let us discuss JEE Mains 2020 September session question papers. In previous video already discussed September 2nd evening paper. Now let us continue same paper. Here the next problem is the ratio of three consecutive binomial coefficients in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n is 2 is 5 is 12. Find the value of n. Here given the ratio of three consecutive binomial coefficients. Let NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 be three consecutive binomial coefficients. Given the ratio between these three coefficients, that is NCR minus 1 is to NCR is to NCR plus 1 equals to 2 is 5 is 12. Then here we take the ratio between two coefficients, that is NCR minus 1 by NCR equals to 2 by 5 and NCR by NCR plus 1 equals to 5 by 12. Now here we write the formula of this one equals to R by N minus of R minus 1 equals to 2 by 5 and in this R plus 1 by N minus R equals to 5 by 12. Now these can be simplified this. Now here we take cross multiply. Here also we take cross multiply. This is 5R equals to 2N minus 2 into R minus 2R plus 1 into 2 plus 2. And in this 12R plus 12 equals to 5N minus 5R. Now it can be simplified that in this we write 2N, we take 5R to right side, minus 2R minus 5R, that is minus 7R plus 2 equal to 0. And in this 5N minus 5R minus 12R, that is minus 17R plus 12 equal to 0. Now solving these two equations, here we take the coefficients of R. In this first equation minus 7, in this minus 17. Next we take constants. In this 2, in the second equation is minus 12. Next we take coefficients of n. In first equation is 2, in second equation is 5. Again we take R coefficients, minus 7, minus 17. So this is n, this is R, this is 1. Now it can be simplified that here we take cross multiplication. Now which implies n by, in this minus 7 into minus 12, that is 84. Minus 17 into 2. So minus of minus 17 plus 17 into 2, that is 34. Equals to R by 2 5 is 10 plus 12 2 is 24. So plus 24, minus of minus plus. In this 1 by, here we take cross multiplication, 2 into minus 17, minus 34. In this plus 35. Now which implies n by, this value is 180, R by 34, 35 minus 34 is 1. So which is equals to 1. From this n by 118 equals to 1, which implies n equals to 118. And also the value of R is also 34. So this is the solution. In this the value of n. Here in our problem to find the value of n is 118, which is in the option, third option. This is the solution for this question. Now the next one is if y equals to summation k equals to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse of 3 by 5 cos kx minus 4 by 5 into sin kx, then to find dy by dx. First we take in this expression cos inverse of 3 by 5 cos kx minus 4 by 5 into sin kx. Now cos inverse of 3 by 5 cos kx minus 4 by 5 sin kx. In this, let us consider 3 by 5 equals to some cos alpha. We take trigonometric ratio. Let some cos alpha equals to 3 by 5. Then sin alpha equals to square root 1 minus cos square alpha. That equals to square root of 1 minus 9 by 25. 25 minus 9 means 16 by 25. 16 by 25, square root of 16 by 25 is 4 by 5. Already 4 by 5 is there in second term. So here we write cos inverse of cos alpha into cos kx minus sin alpha into sin kx. This is the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now we write cos inverse of cos a plus b alpha plus kx. So this is on cos inverse of cos theta. Here cancel cos inverse and cos. The remaining value is alpha plus kx. Now we take given equation y equals to summation k equals to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse of 3 by 5 cos kx minus 4 by 5 sin kx. Here we substitute k equals 1 to 6 k into, already this value is found, that is alpha plus kx. Alpha plus kx. In this we have to observe separate expansion. Here alpha is one of the constant. Now we take outside summation alpha into summation k equals to 1 to 6 k plus here multiply with k 2 kx, that is k square. Here x is also constant, x is variable, into summation k equals to 1 to 6 k square. Here x is the variable. This is y. Now we differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx equals to, here we observe in this is always constant. Now derivative of constant equals to 0 plus derivative of x, this is also constant. Derivative of x is equals to 1. That value it can be simplified that using summation n square formula. Summation n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So using this one 1 into n means we take 6. 6 into 6 plus 1, 7 into 2 into 6 plus 1. That is 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Now here it can be simplified that 6 6 cancel, 13 7 are 91. So dy by dx equals to 91. So which is in the option 2. This is the solution for this question. Here the next problem is let A1, A2 up to A11 be an increasing AP. AP means arithmetic progression. And if variance of these numbers is 90, variance of the given numbers is 90, then value of common difference of AP. Here to find the value of common difference. So given that A1, A2 up to A11 be an AP. So general we take general form of AP. Then here A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Is an AP. So here we know one result. The given numbers are in arithmetic progression Then to calculate variance, here using one formula, we know that variance of A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here we write n square minus 1 by 12 into D square. Here already given variance of the given numbers equals to 90. Now we have to equating 90. Here we take n equals to 11. A11 means n equals to 11. So 11 square minus 1 by 12 into D square equals to 90. 11 square means 121 minus 1 by 12 into D square equals to 90. In this 120 by 12 D square equals to 90. In this 12 1 ja 12 10 ja, which implies D square equals to 90 by 10. That means 9. Now here D square equals to 9, which implies D equals to plus or minus 3. Here the given AP is increasing AP. Therefore here we take positive value for common difference. D means common difference. Therefore since given AP is increasing, then common difference equal to D equals to 3. This is the solution for this question, which is integer type question. So common difference of AP is 3. Now the 10th one is, if y equals to 1 plus x whole power 2y plus cos square of sin inverse x be a curve, then find equation of normal at x equals 0. Here given one of the curve, to find equation of normal to this curve at x equals 0. So here we take the given equation is, we go to the solution. Given equation, given y equals to 1 plus x power 2y plus cos square of sin inverse x. Here we observe, in the given curve, the first term is the form of fx power gx. Now here we write e power 1 plus x log 1 plus x power 2y plus, here we write cos of sin inverse x whole square. Now it can be simplified that e power, this is log a power b. Now 2y into ln of 1 plus x plus, here we write cos of sin inverse x can be written as cos inverse of square root 1 minus x square whole square. Here cos inverse cancel, square root and square is also cancelled. So e power 2y into ln of 1 plus x plus 1 minus x square. This is y. So given curve is 1 plus x power 2y plus cos square sin inverse x. Now it can be simplified that the given curve can be reduced to y equals to e power 2y into ln of 1 plus x plus 1 minus x square, which is equation number 1. Now here first to find derivative of that curve. So dy by dx equals to, in this is e power x form. So e power x means e power 2y into ln of 1 plus x into derivative of exponent function. Here this is the form of ub. First we have to derivative u into dv. So 2y by 1 plus x plus, in this 2 into ln of 1 plus x, derivative of y is y dash plus 1 minus x square derivative. Here 1 is constant, that is 0, minus x square means minus 2x. So this is dy by dx. So here first of all to find slope of normal. So first here we take x equal 0, then to find the value of y. If x equals 0, then y equals to, in the given equation, given curve, we substitute value of x in this equation, that is 1 plus 0 power 2y plus cos square sin inverse 0. So 1 power 2y means 1 plus sin inverse 0 means 0. So cos square 0. Cos 0 value is always equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 square means 1. That is 2. Therefore, point on the curve equals to x is 0, y equals to 2. So here to find slope at that point. Now that is dy by dx at 0, 2. Here we substitute x and y in the given value, e power 2 into 2 into ln of 1 plus 0. 1 plus x means 1 plus 0 into 2 into y value 2. 2 into 2 by 1 plus 0 plus 2 into ln of 1 plus 0 into y dash minus 2 into 0. Now it can be simplified that e power 4 into ln 1 into 2 to the 4 by 1 plus 2 into ln of 1 into y dash minus 0. Now ln 1 means 0, log 1 means 0. So e power 0, that is 1 into 4 by 1 means 4 plus ln 1 means 0. So 0 into something, totally 0, that is 4. So dy by dx at 0 to equals to 4. Now here slope of tangent m equals to 4. Using this one, slope of normal, that is minus 1 by m, that equals to minus 1 by 4. Now equation of normal to the given curve. Equation of normal, that is y minus y1 equals to minus m1 by m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 0 2. This is x1, this is y1. So y minus 2 equals to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 0. Now it can be simplified that 4y minus 4 to the 8 equals to minus x. Therefore, x plus 4y equals to 8. This is the equation of normal to the curve at x equal to 0, which is in the solution, which is in option, first option is the right answer. This is the solution for this question. The next one is point P divides line joining points A I plus j plus k and B 2i plus j plus 3k. 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. In the ratio lambda is to 1, such that OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into mod OA cross OP square equals to 6. Find lambda. Here given one condition, using this condition and using these 2 points to find the value of lambda. So first of all we take given the points or position vectors of A and B are OA equals to, let us consider OA is A equals to I bar plus j bar plus k bar, and OB equals to B bar equals to 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. Here given the point P divides the line joining points A and B. Here we take one line. This is the point A, this is the point B. These two are position vectors. Here the point P divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. This is P. First of all, we calculate the point P. That means to find position vector of P. We know that using section formula, position vector OP bar equals to, here the formula is given ratio. Here m is to n equals to lambda is to 1. We know that position vector of OP using section formula. The formula is m b bar plus n a bar by m plus n. Here a bar and b bar are two line joining points. M is to n is the ratio, internal ratio. Therefore, that internal point is mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. In the vectors, we take position vector of that P is mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. Here, m and n are lambda and 1. So, b bar means 2i plus j plus 3k. A bar means I plus j plus k. Directly we take lambda b bar plus 1 into a bar by lambda plus 1. Here we write a bar plus lambda b bar by lambda plus 1. And given one condition. That condition is OB bar dot OP bar. Given condition is OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into mod OA bar cross OP bar whole square equals to 6. In this condition, first to find in the first term OB bar dot OP bar, and again we find OA bar cross OP bar mod square, mod OA cross OP square. Now, first to find OB bar dot OP bar. That means OB bar means B bar dot OP bar means already found A bar plus lambda B bar by lambda plus 1. Now it can be simplified that in this we write B bar dot A bar multiply with B bar to both vector. B bar dot A bar plus lambda is one of the scalar into B bar square, mod B bar square. B bar dot B bar means mod B bar square by lambda plus 1. Here A bar dot B bar equals to already given the vectors 1 1 1, I plus j plus k means 1 1 1 dot 2 1 3. That value is 1 into 2. 2 plus 1 into 1. 1 plus 1 into 3. 3. That is 6. And also to find mod B bar square. That is 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. Here 4 plus 1 plus 9. That is 14. Now substitute these values in this dot product OB bar dot OP bar. Therefore, OB bar dot OP bar equals to B bar dot A bar means 6 plus lambda into mod B bar square. That value is 14. 14 by lambda plus 1. Now here we write 16 plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1. This is dot product. This is the first term. And we calculate the second value. In this, first to find OA bar cross OP bar. OA bar cross OP bar. That means OA bar means A bar cross OP bar. Already found. That value is A bar plus lambda B bar by lambda plus 1. Lambda plus 1. Here cross multiply with A bar. This is A bar cross A bar plus lambda into A bar cross B bar by lambda plus 1. Here A bar cross A bar is always equals to O bar plus lambda into, here to find A bar cross B bar. Here to find A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar means determinant I, j, k. A bar is I plus j plus k. So we take 1 1 1. In this 2 1 3. That is I bar into 1 3 ja 3 minus 1 minus j bar into 3 minus 2 plus k bar into 1 1 ja 1 minus 2. Here it can be simplified that 2i bar minus j bar minus k bar. 2i bar minus j bar minus k bar. Now here we substitute that value 0 bar plus lambda into, here we write 0 bar plus lambda into 2i bar minus j bar minus k bar by lambda plus 1. Here we take OA bar cross OP bar modulus whole square. Now which is clearly equal to lambda into 2i bar minus j bar minus k bar by lambda plus 1. Now adding null vector itself, we get that vector always itself. So here we take modulus square, that is lambda square into 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square by lambda plus 1 whole square. Now here we write this is 4 plus 1 plus 1 6. So 6 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square. So this is OA bar cross OP bar mod OA bar cross OP bar square. Here this is equation 1, this is equation 2. These two values will be substituted in the given condition. Now substitute the values in this one. Here OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into mod OA bar cross OP bar whole square equals to 6. Now which implies OB bar dot OP bar from equation 1, this is equals to 6 plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into, from equation 2 mod square equals to 6 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square equals to 6. Here it can be simplified that, in that this is 6 plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 3 6 18 lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square equals to 6. Now here we write 6 plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 6 equals to 18 into lambda square lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square. Now here it can be simplified that 6 minus 6 will be cancelled. 14 lambda minus 6 lambda, that is 8 lambda by lambda plus 1. Now we take left side minus 18 into lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now in this we take common lambda by lambda plus 1. In this is 8 minus 18 into lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Now here we observe that here lambda is 1. In the ratio lambda is not equals to 0. Since lambda by lambda plus 1 is not equal to 0, then the remaining value 8 minus 18 lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 0, which implies we take LCM 8 lambda plus 8 minus 18 lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Now here 8 minus 10 lambda, here we take lambda plus 1 to right side, lambda plus 1 into 0 is 0. Now here we observe that 8 equals to 10 lambda, which implies lambda equals to 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means 2 4 ja 2 5. So 4 by 5. So lambda is 4 by 5. Now That means 0.8. So 0.8 is the value of lambda. This is the solution for this question, which is integer type question. Here, first of all, we take the given relation. In this, to find, first of all, to find position vector, P divides the given points. Here, the position vector P equals to A bar plus lambda B bar by lambda plus 1 using section formula. And given condition, we take given condition. In that condition, first to find OB bar dot OP bar using the given points, that is B bar dot A bar plus lambda B mod B bar square by lambda plus 1. In this, to find A bar dot B bar and mod B bar square, that value is already found. That are 6 and 14. Now substitute that values in dot product. Then the value of OB bar dot OP bar equals to 6 plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1. And in this we calculate second part, that is mod OA bar cross OP bar square. First of all, to find cross product OA bar plus OP bar. Here we write OA bar equals to A bar cross the OP bar, already found. Now it can be simplified that in this, to find A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar value is 2A bar minus A bar minus K bar. Now here in that OA bar plus OP bar, we substitute the values A bar plus A bar is 0 bar plus lambda into that value 2A bar minus J bar minus K bar by lambda plus 1. It can be simplified that lambda into 2I minus J bar minus K bar by lambda plus 1. Now we take modulus square, that equals to lambda square into, now we take magnitude, that is 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square by lambda plus 1 whole square. That is 6 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square, which is equation 2. Now using 1 and 2, substitute the in the given condition. Then it can be simplified that the value of lambda, in that the value of lambda is 4 by 5. That means 0.8. So this is the solution for this question. Now the 12th one is, if a curve y equal to f of x satisfy the differential equation 2x square dy equals to 2xy plus y square into dx, and that curve passes through the point 1, 2, then find the value of f of 1 by 2. Now we go to the solution. The given curve is given that 2x square dy equals to 2xy plus y square into dx. Now which implies that here we take dx to left side and 2x square to right side. That is dy by dx equals to 2xy by 2x square plus y square by 2x square. In RHS, 2x will be cancelled in the first term. That is dy by dx equals to, in this we write y by x plus y square by 2x square. Here multiply with y power minus 2 or divide with y square on both sides. So therefore y power minus 2 into dy by dx equals to, in that y by x into 1 by y square plus 1 by 2x square. In this 1y in numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Now here we write y power minus 2 into dy by dx equals to, in this we write, here we take this term to left side, that is minus 1 by y into 1 by x, that equals to 1 by 2x square. Now which is equation number 1. Here let us consider minus 1 by y equals to some t. Put minus 1 by y equals to t. Now we differentiate with respect to x. Here that value will be equals to y power minus 2. Here minus 1 by y. We take y to numerator and differentiate y power minus 1. That is minus 1 into y power minus 2. So minus of minus plus. So plus y power minus 2 into dy by dx. In RHS side also we have to differentiate with respect to same variable, that is equals to dt by dx. So here the value of y power minus 2 into dy by dx equals to dt by dx. This value can be substituted in equation 1, which implies dt by dx equals to dt by dx. In this minus 1 by y already equals to t. So plus t into 1 by x equals to 1 by 2x square. This is linear differential equation in the variable t, which is equation 2, which is a linear differential equation in t. Now to find integrating factor, if equals to e power integral p dx. Here p means 1 by x, integral 1 by x dx, e power integral 1 by x dx. Now this is equals to integral 1 by x means e power log x. Here it can be simplified, integrating factor equals to x. Now the solution of equation 2 is integrating factor into t equals to integral of integrating factor into q. Q means in RHS value 1 by 2x square into x dx. So integrating factor means x. So x into t equals to, in that integral over, integrating factor means x into 1 by 2x square into dx. Here we substitute the value of t equals to minus 1 by y. Now here we write minus x by y equals to, in that cancel x. So 1 by 2x, that is 1 by 2 into, here integral 1 by x equals to log x. Integral 1 by 2 log x base c. Here we write plus c, integral constant plus c. So the solution of equation 2 is minus x by y equals to 1 by 2 log x by c plus c. This curve already passing through one point, that is 1, 2. Since the above curve passes through 1, 2, then we substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to in the above curve. In this we write minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 log 1 by c plus c. Here log 1 equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 by 2 equals to 0 plus c. Therefore value of c equals to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute c value in the above solution. Therefore required solution of equation 2 is minus x by y equals to 1 by 2 log x by c minus 1 by 2. Here c value is minus 1 by 2. Here minus x by y equals to log x by c minus 1 by 2. Here LCM is 2 because of denominators are same. Therefore numerators log x by c minus 1 by 2. Now here we observe x by y equals to, multiply with minus 1 minus log x by c by 2. Now reverse that equation. We write y by x equals to 2 by 1 minus log x by c, which implies y equals to 2x by 1 minus log x by c. To find f of 1 by 2. So here y equals to f of x, already given, y equals to f of x. That means f of 1 by 2. This is f of x. f of 1 by 2 equals to, here we take x is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus log 1 by 2 base c. 2 cancel. In this numerator equals to 1 by, Here we write 1 by 2, that is 2 inverse. Therefore 1 plus log 2 base e. Here 1 by 2 power 2 inverse. So minus of minus plus. So 1 by 1 plus log 2 base e. So here also we write 1 by 1 plus ln2. 1 by 1 plus ln2, which is in the first option. So this is the value of f of 1 by 2. This is the solution for this question. So these are the solutions for 7 to 12 problems. Continue remaining problems in the next video. So prepare and practice well. Wish you all the best. Thank you one and all.